It's not just a job, it's a project. It's an aesthetic, if you will. I'm Marc. I'm a music teacher, late of NYU and also other organizations. This past year, we spent the winter up here for the first time in a long time. And we had this very, very long driveway, which for many years we had just paved with gravel. And even though that was a mess every winter when the plow came by to get rid of it, it didn't seem that much of a problem until this winter, when we had tons and tons of snow and everything melted and you found yourself having to put on boots just to get to the freezer to thaw something for dinner. After a certain point, even the cars were sinking into the path because the gravel wasn't set in anything. It was just a mud driveway, and then there was gravel on top of it. The ground got so soft that you could neither drive on it nor walk on it. So we wanted something solid to prevent that problem, rather, but also something beautiful. I thought, let's see what we can do to make it really beautiful. And then just went online and didn't find, we were just looking for people who did the sort of work that Limitless does. And it was brilliantly recommended. Christian was terrific. I mean, he immediately let us know what the options would be. And very quickly, we agreed on a price and a schedule. And we became so confident so early, that this was a company that could handle what the challenge was, that we felt that we were in good hands really from the beginning. The bricks themselves are very beautiful. They're unusual. It doesn't look like every other driveway you've seen. Christian's ideas about how to alternate certain colors that was both elegant but not obtrusive really made sense of what is a very large driveway. It's a lot of ground to cover, and so you want to make sure that those big decisions about colors and materials and design are made correctly. Even the details of just the look of the company, the uniforms and the truck, the design is like someone's really thinking a lot about all the details here. It's not just a job, it's a project, it's an aesthetic, if you will. And that was something that we experienced from the beginning right up until now. We just had an, absolutely unqualified good experience. Look no further.